Brandon Widmer. I'm Vice President of Motorsports at Pratt Miller.
I'm Kyle Millay. I'm the Director of Competition Engineering here at Corvette Racing by Pratt Miller Motorsports.
What we're most known for globally is running the Corvette Racing Program by Pratt Miller Motorsports. That started back in 1997. What's unique about Pratt Miller is we're not just a race team, but we're also an engineering powerhouse and a constructor. So not only do we race cars, we actually design them in-house.
The implementation of Lee's vent valve has improved our performance through better control and position targeting of our electronic clutch system, which allows us to leave the pit box more consistently with higher acceleration and better performance.
Work very closely, in the case of Corvette, with General Motors. We take a great production car and we adapt it to the motorsports environment, which is very challenging. We've had over 128 wins in IMSA, and we've also won the GT category with the 24 Hours of Le Mans. We've won that 9 times since 2000.
The vent valve has directly led to better endurance and performance from the vehicle, specifically for our longer races, all the way to 24 hours in duration. It gives us much more consistent and reliable clutch performance, which ultimately leads to improved reliability. We first looked to Lee to see if there was an off-the-shelf solution before we tried to do any in-house development to try to find our own bespoke solution. The most significant benefit to the use of the vent valve has been the improved consistency of the hydraulic system, just due to the fact that we don't have any more entrained air, which gives us better position targeting and control, which is pretty critical for our systems. The experience working with Lee has been phenomenal. The responsiveness and lead times working specifically with the sales engineers has been a big benefit and helped us get solutions into the field and into the fleet with quick turnaround. We were basically less than 1 week from initial cold call email to having parts in hand.
We still have the motorsports mindset and culture, the way we treat people, the way we work as teams, the way we push to make sure we're the best at everything we can do, and have the mindset that the green flag drops and you have to be ready. And that's how we approach everything across the entire business.